I've been waiting all day for this to turn up. Any ideas? Right, let's open it. So this week I sold my unique Typhoon hexacopter. Really love the drone, but it's just getting so hard to fly anywhere. And I have in its place bought the new Mini Mavic 2. Or no, it's not Mavic anymore, it's just the Mini 2. Right, so in the parcel that just arrived was the DJI Mini 2. I've got other drones, I've had other drones, but unless you're doing a big job and you get all the permissions and go through all the paperwork, I mean, I've got my PIFCO so I can do commercial jobs, although that's all changed now since doing that. But I was looking for something that I could fly without any hassle, spur of the moment, and I see the DJI Mini 2 at 249 grams, or the actual weight is 242. You can literally put it in your pocket. You can fly it in lots of places that you couldn't with the bigger ones. And when I started looking at the specs, camera wise, just have a look. You have you've got 4x3 and 16x9. Go for the 4x3 because you're going to get more use of the sensor. You're going to get 4,000 by 3,000 rather than 4,000 by 2,250. So if you're shooting in 4x3, you're going to get a decent picture of 12 megapixel. You've got bracketing on there now. You've also got panorama, sphere, 180 and a wide shot, which is really, I mean, the wide and the 180 are the ones I've ever really used on other drones that could do more. You can shoot 4K, 30, 24, 25 and 30 frames a second. You've also got 2x zoom for 4K, at 2.7K you've got 3x zoom, and at 1080 you've got 4x zoom. So really handy zoom to have. 480 with 4K with 2x zoom is really good news. You've got your quick shots, which are droney, helix, rocket and the boomerang. If you want to shoot in 1080, you can go up to 60 frames, and in actual fact you can also go up to 60 frames a second in 2.7. So you can slow things down, it should still be pretty smooth. There is only the one standard picture profile on there, which, I mean, it would be nice to have a couple more, maybe the Cine or something, purely for grading, but you can still grade the standard and get pretty good results. And from such a small drone, I'm really not going to complain too much. It's now got the Oculus Sync 2, which the Mini was just the Wi-Fi. So you've got 10 kilometre range, which I'm never going to fly at 10 kilometres away, but it's there, so you flying it closer, you shouldn't have any problems. Let's see what's on the box. Ultralight. I'm really saying an awful lot on the outside of this. No, I've mainly gone through most of the specs. I've only flown it the once, and I'll put a bit of video up in a sec flying it over the marina, but it was a really dull day and wasn't ideal. But I was pleased with what I got straight out of the box. I am going to try polarized filter and some indies and see what we can do with those. I think polarizers would be quite good to get colours to pop a bit more, but that's all coming soon. But I just thought I'd let you know that so far I am really impressed with this tiny little powerhouse. Please stick a like and subscribe, and I'll be doing lots of reviews on filters, extended undercarriage and bits and pieces. So yeah, hopefully go quite in depth into what we can get out of this drone. So thanks for watching. Whack the subscribe. So most of you that watch them aren't actually subscribed, but this way you'll get to know when I've done the next one. And yeah, catch you soon. Cheers.